Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add indicators right here on ThinkorSwim. And if you want to do this, we go right here to the chart, and let's say we want to add right here on this chart a nice RSI. Then we go right here to this icon right here. We click on that because that means studies and strategies, like it said right here. And now we can search right here for an indicator that we want. So let's search for the RSI. There we have it, and we have more options, but I want to do this one. Then we double click on it, and then you see right here that we are having the RSI. And if you click now here on apply and do OK, you will find right here the RSI of the chart. Let's say we want to delete it right now. We go right here to studies and click right here on remove all, apply, and now it's back. So this is how you can add indicators right here in ThinkorSwim. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.